In this video, I'm going to present Noteera, one of my favorite heroes and also a hero that you'll get through the game. So let's start with the skills and I'll give some tips maybe for the gear also. First of all, this hero is very dependent on the poison. Approach and assault the target quickly when the target is far away. Giants 20% damage bonus against the enemy with poison. So I combined her for the great synergy with my Corin, since the Corin is basically a hero that spread a lot of poison. So like this, my Noteera is going to have a lot of damage. This 20% extra is great. Also, she's doing huge amount of damage with the ultimate, but we're going to go there. The next skill is battle skill. Throw the poison darts at the enemy with a 75% chance to inflict 2 stacks of poison for 10 seconds. As you know, she's getting extra damage with her basic attacks, so this is going to help much more. And have a 75% chance to inflict stun for 2 seconds. Now in this game, I don't think how important is the stunning, but definitely to get some extra stun is very nice. And of course, the final thing is her ultimate. Abyssal Thrust ultimate, charge toward the enemy position, dealing 60% attack poison damage 4 times. Wow. Killing the enemy with this skill will create a range explosion that do 300 plus 240% attack poison damage to the enemy within the range, with 100% chance to inflict poison for 10 seconds. Now this ultimate is very important, and this is because if you put on auto, I mean, doing the stages, of course, if the stages is just consuming your time, you can just put on auto. But if there is a hard stage, you definitely want to control this hero. And believe me, this ultimate, this explosion, range explosion that do 300 plus 240 attack poison damage is doing huge amount of damage. So when she's ready with the ultimate, just target a target that have low HP, so you can be 100% sure this target is going to die. And also she's charges through the enemy, so she can attack this enemy from any position, and this is going to do huge explosion and doing massive damage. I'm playing with her. As I said, she's one of the heroes you're starting with, and I'm very happy with her. She do a lot of damage. Maybe okay, this my hero is doing more damage, but in general she's doing close to the best damage so far in my team. And I combined her greatly with Corian. As I said, he's spreading poison, also have poison explosion, but in every skills he also have poisons. So this is a really great hero, but this is an epic hero. You're not sure can you actually get this hero. So yeah, but in general, I think Noteera is one of the best rare heroes. So let's jump a little on the gear. So far, when you start the game, you're not going to have a bunch of gear to actually choose from, but I prefer to stick on the flat status, defense, accuracy. You can see my... Okay, here I get some critical damage, but I just didn't want to forge a lot of swords, so I just picked this one. But yeah, it consumes every time. There's a consumables that every time you perform a forging you can actually get, and this thing happened from here. Equipment, forging, and so far I'm in the forge one. To open the forge 2, well, you have to go on the map and actually see where is the places, and the game actually provides you very nice with great explanation where the things have to be farmed. If you need something to level up, if you need something to break to the next level. For example, if we check one of the heroes, where's my heroes? I'll just have to go out of this and I'll show you. Yeah, this. So from here you can just go for your hero, and here you can upgrade your hero, and yeah, you can see where is these crystals. You just click and it show you the places. If you click the place, you can go directly on these places. But anyway, I think Noteera so far is one of my best heroes. I'm very happy with her. She's with poison, extra damage. That's why I actually saved some XP potions to level up this great hero. So if you didn't level up, I think she's a great investment. Also, you get her for free. I think it's apart from the gameplay. So yeah, so far this will be for Noteera. And yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.